The African continent has the perfect combination of factors contributing to the adoption of blockchain technology, which in turn will rapidly escalate the transformation of its nation's welfare, wealth, and global standings. The potential use cases of blockchain technology largely complement Africa's efforts to address its socioeconomic challenges, but the funds to create solutions have been hard to come by in pre-pandemic times. A report published recently by Swiss venture capital firm VCCV in partnership with Standard Bank shows that millions of dollars have started trickling into the continent in the form of blockchain financing. The report provides key insights into African blockchain-related activities. Topics include company funding data, regulatory overviews of various countries, and industry developments. According to the data in the report, while globally businesses raised $621 billion in venture funding in 2021, startups in Africa raised between $4.3 and $5 billion in 2021 across 820 deals. That represents a 239% year-to-year increase, more than double of global venture capital growth rate. This is an exciting time for Africa. Besides, fintech companies received roughly 60% of all venture funding in Africa, 3 times the global average. The speed of achieving $1 billion in total funding has increased dramatically. In 2019, it took 11 months for the continent to raise $1 billion in venture funding. In 2021, African startups raised $1 million every 2 hours, taking 7 weeks to achieve the $1 billion milestone. There are currently 6 tech startups of unicorn status in Africa. Of these 6 companies, all but one are fintech businesses. Also interesting to note is that 5 gained their horn in 2021. The report also shows that a total of $127 million was raised throughout 2021, representing a 0.5% share of total global blockchain funding. 8 countries were represented for the period. 96% of the funding went to Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, and Seychelles. It was in the first quarter of this year when the millions rolled into the continent more, showing promise of an even better year to come. In fact, the continent's venture funding growth in the first quarter of 2022 was 11 times the growth of general venture funding in the same period in 2021. Companies raised $91 million in Q1 of 2022, a staggering 1.6% increase from Q1 of the previous year. Blockchain financing in the second quarter of this year got off to a quick start, with some noteworthy fundraising by Mara from Nigeria and Kenya, Jambo from the Republic of Congo, and Afrix from Nigeria. These data demonstrate that Africa is not only a crypto continent but an international driver in the utilization of blockchain as a transformative technology for humanity. Although the African blockchain ecosystem is thriving and the rate of crypto adoption is high, data and insights for blockchain-related activities in the region are fragmented and thinly spread. Yet there is an urgent need for governments across Africa to embrace blockchain technology and develop regulatory frameworks to regulate crypto and linked emerging industries. The next video will provide insights about the cryptocurrency regulatory landscape in the continent and an overview of some of the most regulatory progressive African jurisdictions. Subscribe to this channel to get more updates on how Africa is openly embracing new age technologies, revolutionizing the landscape, and improving the lives of millions in the process.